Bilco RK116 is the orange. Right from there is the yellow is the RK116. Operating crane. Crane year 1996. Right from there is the Kobelco RK116. Is the right of problem. Very nice. Yes. Alright. Color orange. Right
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes, yellow. Right around there is the orange. Yellow. Alright, around there is the yellow. Crentons. Right problem. Is the 60 tons. Right around there is the no problem. Good time there is the yellow RK116. Is the right from there is the no choice. Good problem. Roof tenor crane is the alright number 20. Adfail Corporation. Number 20. Right from there is the no choice. Crane is the number 20. Is the Crentons Adfail Corporation. No choice. Is the right from there is the well. Is the crane LYNX 116. Is the from Adfail Corporation. Year right from there is the no choice is the Crentons. Is the yellow. 5 right from there is the crane. Is the good conditioning. Alright, no problem. 5, 42 and go.